If you have a cue stick that has this joint on it, focus. It's one of those quick releases, kind of hard to find. If you want to find a replacement shaft or a carbon shaft, something like that. After multiple tries, I finally found it. It's called Trueloc, or at least that's what Rhino calls it. It's Trueloc. And it fits in there perfectly. It's tight, not going anywhere. This particular cue is made by Viper. So there may be other cues out there that use this same quick release. So just wanted to get it out there. It's called Trueloc. Focus.